so shy when it comes to you. So let me show you what I can do, 'cause I don't mind.
Hello friends, my name is Lakisha and welcome to Lakisha Loves to Plan. Here on my channel, I love to plan, decorate, and clean. And today, I'm so excited because I am working in my kitchen. I am doing a sunflower theme. I've already cleaned my kitchen, so I'm just gonna do some little touches, clean some of the stainless steel, and then we're gonna get right into decorating. If you like videos like this, please like, subscribe, and click that notification bell because I have more fall decorating coming up. I really get down at Christmas, so if you like fall and Christmas decorating, clean with me, and planning, go ahead and click that subscription button. I have a lot to do, a lot going on, so we'll see how this goes. So stick around, enjoy the music. I hope this inspires you. And if you're new here, welcome. I'm so glad to have you. And if you are a returning subscriber, how y'all doing? How y'all doing? All right, let's get to it.
If I could hear my father's voice, he would tell me to move on. He would say I'll be just fine. Yeah, he would tell me we have time, time to laugh and time to heal. Our favorite song is on repeat, drinking wine until the dawn, knowing soon we'll be back home. Ooh, I'm thinking about you. Ooh, I'm wishing that you knew. That I'm thinking about you. I see that smile on your face. You told me about the hidden place, something in the atmosphere. You're always here, you always here. Time to laugh and time to heal. My favorite song is on repeat, drinking wine until the dawn, knowing soon we'll be back home. Ooh, I'm thinking about you. And I'm wishing that you knew. Ooh,
All right, everybody, so as you can see, I am almost done just touching up the kitchen, and now I'm ready to take down some of my regular decor and add my fall decor. I bought a lot of stuff from Home Goods, and I had a lot of stuff left over from last year. So basically all the things that you're going to see in this video either came from my stash I already had or from Home Goods. And if you want to see how I decluttered my stash, please make sure you look at that video, which I will put in the description. So now what I'm doing is taking out all of my fall stuff for the kitchen and putting it on the counter so I can see it and kind of categorize it and see where I'm going to put everything. So this process is very helpful for me, so I can basically move in a smooth way. And what I do is just tackle certain parts of the kitchen with all this decor. So I'm going to start with my tiered tray. Now this was something I was thinking about doing separately, maybe doing a tiered tray and showing you like 3 or 4 different ways to use a tiered tray. But at the last minute I decided to just decorate this with the kitchen video. So I hope you enjoy it. I hope you get inspired about how I use it. I've actually watched a lot of videos about tiered trays. I really like tiered trays. I feel like it gives like a cozy aesthetic to your space. It doesn't really matter what you put on it as long as it looks pleasing to your eye. So that's what I'm doing, a little trial and error until I like what I see, and then I leave it. So that's the tiered tray, and then after this I'm going to move to the coffee bar.
You drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here again.
As you can see here, I switched out my utensil bins to a more warm color, and now I am adding some pine cones. I don't want to say acorns. I'm adding pine cones to this clear jar to make it sort of like a vignette instead of just two utensil bins here. So I like the way this turned out. I really like peanuts. As you can see, I had the peanuts cups. I have the peanuts stirrers. I just love peanuts during the fall. It's just so nostalgic. And now I'm going to decorate this small bowl with some greenery and just a couple of pumpkins. Nothing really big. I just want to fill in the corner of this counter, and when I put that there, I was like, it's a little too plain. So I remember I had thousands of acorns from last year that I never used. So I got those acorns, and now I feel happy that it looks simple and elegant. I like the different textures of the pumpkins, and so I'm going to put this right here next to the air fryer, and it fits perfectly. Okay, now we're moving to behind the sink. A lot of people have like a window behind their sink. I don't. I have a lot of counter space. It's just a weird part of the house. So I'm going to add this lamp to warm the space up. And then I'm going to do a little vignette in here with the lamp. I have this rope here that I think looks nice. I love the neutral colors. And of course, I have some more sunflowers to put there. And then I'm just going to add a couple more things so it doesn't look empty, but it contributes to the look of the space instead of taking away from it. So that's how it looks. Pretty simple and easy. Next, I have this beautiful tray I got from Michael's last year. I'm going to put all of my Mrs. Meyer's Smell Good here, and then I'm going to add some cutting boards. I love cutting boards. I try to walk away from the cutting board section in Home Goods because it be calling me. I'm just saying, it calls me all the time. But I found this cool oil canister. It really holds oil and vinegar, so I wiped it off, and I'm just going to put my olive oil in there in case you want to know what kind of olive oil I use. I use this kind, and I like it a lot. It's not too rich and it's not too thin. It's like just right for me. So I'm going to use this canister because my other oil canister actually stopped working, and I saw this one and it looks different from the regular one with the spout. So I like different stuff. So hopefully I can have this canister for a long time, and I'm just going to create a little space for it and add one more thing. Now I'm satisfied. I hope you like it. Just an adjustment, and to me this screams fall. I love the way it turned out. Comment below if you are working on your kitchen. What is your theme if you have one, and let me know your colors you like and everything. So I got these sunflower mittens, oven mitts from the Dollar Tree. So I'm going to add them here, but I'm just realizing that it is on backwards, so I'm flipping it over so it can be correct, and I'm just going to decorate it a little bit. It's where I keep my paper towels. It's magnetic. I can't remember where I got this from. I think I got it from Wayfair, but it works for holding your keeping your counter space because I don't have to put my paper towels on the counter. So I absolutely love it. And so now I'm going to use this bottle I got from Hobby Lobby and some of this weed from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to create a little vignette here, and I'm going to use my favorite pumpkin that I have in my stash and sit it here with a couple other things, and then I will have a oven side vignette, which I absolutely love. So I'm going to continue with this beautiful hand towel. I got it from Home Goods, and the texture feels so good, and I'm just going to leave it here as for decorative purposes right in front of the sink to tie in all the colors in the kitchen, and I'll keep decorating.
don't scare you off. Don't mean to be pushy about it. I don't usually say this much. I just had to tell you in all honesty. 'Cause every day when I see your face, I find myself dreaming about how it would be to feel your breath and hold your hand close to my heart. So I just had to write this letter. 'Cause girl, you're always on my mind. Nothing I have can make you better, baby. 'Cause you've got something oh so right. Something oh so right. Oh so right. Oh,
I found this cute wicker yellow basket at Home Goods in the clearance section, and then I also found this cloche at the thrift. I actually found the top and the bottom separately, and I like the way everything turned out. So I just wanted the middle of my counter to be simple because everything around it is so grand. So I'm really liking this. I put the little foliage here, a couple pumpkins, along with the sunflower theme. I think this gives us a break from the sunflowers, but also shows fall, and more fall. So I'm just going to give a quick whip around of the entire space right now. I think it is so adorbs. We have sunflower, we have pumpkin, we have all of the bright yellows and the oranges and the browns, and I just really feel like everything ties together and it creates a warm, cozy country feel of a space. So now I'm going to just play the music and give you one last look of every vignette, and then stay tuned because I will be back at the end.
Summer is ended, the leaves are turning brown. Red and yellow, soon they'll be falling down. Now, I'm not ready, not just yet. I'm not ready for autumn. Autumn comes too soon. Autumn comes too soon. The light that flickers will blow away the side, and all that blossomed will wither away and die.
Ooh, y'all, that was a lot of work, but it was so much fun. Thank you for hanging out with me and just watching me do something I love doing, which is decorate. I hope you like the sunflower theme. I call it the country theme of sunflower. And let me know what was your favorite vignette, or what was your favorite thing. Ask me any questions you want. I would love to hear from you in the comments, and let me know. Click that like button and let me know how you like it. Thank you so much, everyone. Until next time, I'll talk to you soon. I am going to be coming back on here with more fall videos. I think the next one I'm going to do is my family room, so stay tuned for that. Until next time, bye friends.